How to change the voice in Kimi AI. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the voice in the Kimi AI application. First of all, launch open the Kimi AI app on your device and log in. From the homepage of Kimi AI, go to the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal menu button. From the expanded menu, click on your username at the top and this will open up the settings menu. From the settings tab, go ahead and look for this play voice button under general and tap on it. Now you'll be able to see different voices you can choose from. To play the voice first, simply tap on one of the voices, and if you found a voice you'd like to use, simply tap on it and make sure it is ticked, and once you are done, head back and you'll be able to choose a new voice on Kimi AI. Now ask Kimi AI a question. You can ask a question by voice or text. After you go ahead and ask a question and the AI answers, go to the bottom of the answer and tap on the speaker icon, and then you can check the voice that you chose. So that is how you can easily change the voice in Kimi AI account using the Kimi AI application on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.